Hey everyone, it's Gloria Walker and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to explain how to make money on YouTube without subscribers. But first, if you like what you see and want to keep learning more, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for instant notifications. So let's get started. In this fast-paced generation, we often see YouTube as a source of entertainment and relaxation after a long, busy day. Chances are you will visit YouTube to watch funny pet videos, one after the other. However, YouTube is way much more than that. Over the years, YouTube has been an essential tool in the marketing industry. In fact, more and more businesses are planning to use YouTube in their marketing strategies. Due to its huge audiences and immense possibilities, customer engagement, and lead generation. Fact: YouTube has more than 1 billion active users and is accessible in 76 languages all over the world, attracting more people to your channel. Just getting started and you want to stand out on YouTube? The secret is being authentic and unique with your own content. Your videos can either be teaching, entertaining, or both, as long as it provides value to your viewer. Top 4 key points to remember. Look for inspiration, know your audience, connect with the viewers, and make every single second count. Helpful tip: content is king, but engagement is queen. So make content more engaging. Make your viewers want more by making your videos interactive and relevant. Titles and thumbnails. If your goal is to make more money, you will need more clicks and views. Come up with descriptive keywords and titles that are as attractive and compelling as possible. YouTube optimizes a wide range of algorithms that helps viewers find the best video for their search results. How YouTube sets the algorithm: by monitoring what your viewers watch and what they don't, how often you upload new content, and your viewer engagement. Helpful tip: to attract viewers, use various search engine optimization methods. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaboration is one of the hottest trends in the world of YouTube. By collaborating, your channel views, subscribers, and just the overall visibility will greatly increase. How to collaborate with other YouTubers. Choose a channel that has a similar niche or content as yours. Plan your content together. Some YouTubers find creative success by even filming together. Cross-promoting or collaborating with different sectors of YouTube will also greatly boost your reach on YouTube. Helpful tip: you and your collaborating channel can make 2 different videos about 2 different topics or more, and you each can post in your respective YouTube channels. And not only will you have a ton of content, you will be creative geniuses. Okay. Final thoughts. Achieving success in the realm of YouTube may not come overnight. It takes time and practice, and the process may take you a while. But if you stay consistent, the quality of your work and content, your presence on YouTube will surely grow in time. Then the money will follow. Watch out for the next video in the series, Can Introverts Make Money with YouTube? Bye for now.